Want to completely reset your WordPress.com website and start fresh? Instead of spending hours fixing design issues, removing plugins, or cleaning up pages, you can reset everything and start again in just a few clicks. In this video, we will show you exactly how to reset your WordPress.com website the right way, step by step. This is perfect if you're redesigning your site, testing something new, or just want a clean setup. But quick heads up, this will permanently delete all your content, pages, and customizations. So make sure you're ready for a fresh start. Let's jump in. This is the design we currently have on our experimental WordPress.com website. To start the reset process, we will log into our WordPress.com site's WP admin dashboard. Here it is. To reset your website, click on this WordPress logo on the left top corner of the screen. It's going to take you to the main WordPress.com dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you're going to see an option called Sites. From here, you will see all your available websites. Now, to reset one of your sites, what you can simply do is click on these three dots on your website and click on Settings. Then click on this Settings tab over here. Afterwards, scroll down until you find the Reset Site option. From here, simply click on this Reset button when you're ready, and then you can read over here which of your content will be removed. So one post will be removed, 14 pages will be removed, 41 media items will be removed, and 19 plugins will be removed. Now, after confirming that all of these will be removed, what you can simply do is copy your site domain name and then paste it over here to confirm, and then click on this Reset Site button. Now, this will take some time, but your site will be reset. You will also receive an email when your site is reset. Alright, our site has been reset. Now, if we visit our site, you can see that our site has been reset to default theme, and now we can start from fresh. Let's visit the backend dashboard. Here is the backend dashboard. As you can see, all our plugins are removed along with all the themes. Now, what if you have a new idea and just want to experiment without resetting your site? To do that, just simply go to your WordPress.com main dashboard, click on Sites, and then click on this Add New Site button, and then click on Create It Yourself. Now, after inserting your domain name, you will be able to create a new site and experiment with your new idea. So that is how you can reset your WordPress.com website. If this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.